My 89-year-old neighbor, Miriam, bless her heart, told me that if I wanted a nice garden, to plant it on Good Friday. I always listen to my elders, because those old people know a thing or two. So I planted the garden on Good Friday. And since I'm getting old up in the years myself, I decided it'd be easier just to plant flowers. So that's what I done. And goodness, if she wasn't right. I did plant a couple squash. Those are about spent. But I've got all these sunflowers from regular bird seed. I urge you to try it. And I planted also a little bit of fruit. Got me a little cantaloupe going. And lots more coming up. So if you want a happy garden, plant a happy bunch of seeds on Good Friday. I promise you, it'll work.